I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to your plastic world.
Today we're putting together this Elan Ski-Doo. I'd call it a snowmobile, but it's not it's a snowmobile, yeah, but it's the Elan Ski-Doo, and I've kind of modified it because with working with like the 3D printer, I wanted to make it so that it was strong enough but didn't have to go crazy wild fast. I just want to, it's a slower machine in real life anyway, so I thought I'd give it a shot. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this battery in it, and I'm just going to kind of give it a try to see what it'll do. Put this duct tape on it just to hold the battery down so we can test it. So see if we're wasting our time or not. I don't think we're wasting our time, but it might be some bugs that I might want to figure out a little more. There's the shroud for it. If you can see that there and there. So it won't fit on exactly the way it is right now. I'll have to modify it. Okay, so I've determined that the green is the negative as of right now, and the yellow is the positive. Now, how I can hook this up that'll make it half decent, that I'm not going to touch them together, I have no idea, but I'm going to try some more duct tape just for the one, so we can just keep maybe the ground separate. Maybe I don't know how. Yeah, it might not be that easy to do. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Nope, I'm not going to be able to do that. Okay, so what I've done was I put this connector on it to make it safer for me and the battery. And I think we'll start here and we'll see if this thing actually will move. Oh, there it goes. We need more room. Let's put it there. There you go. So if I can flip this upside down here so you guys can see it. Let's flip this over. Where's the other connection? Okay, we get that there and that there. Okay, let's do this. It's a little wobbly. But this is a pretty thick belt, so it's working pretty hard. But this is has only got a plastic shaft right now. I'm going to actually put steel through it. This was a test to see what would happen. So that's actually working not bad. A little wobbly, but it actually moves. So this is the good part. It actually moves better when it's not sitting on its back, because it pushes the belt down where it should be. There we go. Plus the battery's not fully charged. I didn't want to put a fully charged battery on it because I didn't want it to take off like a rocket and break something. But this is really cool. I like it. So in the circumstances of I will put a servo in here for the front steering. It's a little floppy right now because it's not, for some reason, it's not the best system, and it was a system I went with, so I'm going to change that so that it's more positive. And then there's a seat that goes on and everything. In the next one, I'm going to show you the one I made as just a model before I built this one. So we got a little bit of wobble. I'm going to put a shaft in there proper, and then down inside, these are just right now PETG strength shafts, so I mean, it would probably be alright to try it in the backyard and get it going. So, yeah. Now this is the smaller one that I made. It's got the hood that comes up. Hood will connect. Steering, same steering. Windshield actually made from clear Well, it's not exactly clear, but it's not bad for the windshield. Seats made out of TPU rubber. Handlebars. And the front motor can go in this one too, I guess. Tracks made out of TPU rubber, just like the other one. Skis the same. Clear red taillight, plus the backing for the old Elan had the glove box, which is really cool. It's also got the pull cord. I haven't put it on yet, but this was the first one I made, and I thought it was cool. It's really scale looking, so that's why I was thinking of making one. Yep, haven't glued that on yet. But I got another one I'm going to show you right 2 seconds here of one I painted up, a model that I keep up in my cabinet. Now here's the one that I've painted, and I made my own decals with vinyl in my ink printer on vinyl paper, which is a really neat thing to do. And the hood goes forward like that. It can take a motor too, but I haven't designed it to do that. It's just mostly for looks. But it's all clear windshield made with clear PLA. It's also got the mud flap on the back, tail light on the front. You can see all this, I hope. Put it back on here. See if we can rotate it around so it's not like my regular one, but hey. So that's the idea. Seat made out of TPU rubber. Handlebars made out of TPU rubber. Pull start TPU, and same with the same ski setup that I really don't like, but this is, like I said, this one's just going to sit in the cabinet. Oop. There is a wire that's supposed to go through the front of this to go on like that and open up like that, so I'll have to put that on. Let's put that, come on. There we go. Sits in there like that. So that's another neat machine. And like I said, with the one that we're trying to make actually be RC, is really going to be neat. So if you want to try this, I believe this is a free STL. If not, you might find it on Cults 3D. I can't remember if I paid for it or not. I think something cool as this probably did, but it's worth it. Even the handlebars, they move. I thought it was neat because I owned one of these when I was younger. My dad, we used to go to the cottage with him. So, yeah.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.